So you have an opportunity here, and I'm talking about you have room for like 2 shrubs. And you're like, really? Are you sure? So on the one hand, it's, wow, it's going to look naked. Yeah, it will. On the other hand, it's cheaper than you thought it's going to be. So yay. But what I'm recommending is one here, like a golden moth or gold moth. And then like over there, a rhododendron right here. Okay, look how big that one is. Okay, right? How big, and you chopped it way back. But it's good size. To get things going a little more quickly, you could put 2 in.
Okay.
But all you really need on this side is 2 things, possibly 3 if you want to get going sooner. Then what you do is, so you carve out the line. That's going to be hard work because you have your freaking tarp in there that someone else put in. Then you're gonna keep some perennials in here and fill it in. So you've got the compost to help the plants along, mulch on top, but also then a bunch of perennials, so it won't look quite as naked. It'll look very lopsided because you'll have more there. But that's okay. It's just like, who cares? You're in process.